Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to in a new class of session 2020 and 2021. I am Sir Nadeem of your social studies teacher. Hope you all fit and fine. As you know that due to corona pandemic, the whole country in a lockdown situation. Due to safety of the students' life, the schools are closed, but the academy cannot be closed. Education never be stopped. For this purpose, Kids School started their online classes. I will give you the complete schedule after that. First of all, I will feel to tell you that this is your first experience of online classes, and and I hope that you will be familiar for that soon. अच्छा, इसके बाद एक एडवाइस कह लें जो मुझे करनी है, जो स्कूल की तरफ से इंस्ट्रक्शंस भी है कि हमें कुछ, चूंकि मैंने अभी बताया कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का सिलसिला शुरू हो रहा है और तमाम स्कूलों में ऑलमोस्ट ये शुरू हो चुकी हैं, तो वहाँ पे कुछ ऐसी न्यूज़ आई कि कुछ स्टूडेंट ने जो है वो फेक आईडी बना के ग्रुप में शामिल हुए हैं या इस तरह से किसी को प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट किया है। आई होप हमारे स्कूल के स्टूडेंट तो इस तरह नहीं करेंगे, बट फिर भी हमारे स्कूल की तरफ से इंस्ट्रक्शन थे, इसलिए मैंने बता दी कि काइंडली इस तरह से कोई एक मैनिपुलेट जो है वो आईडीज को करके या नेम के साथ ना जाए, क्योंकि हम सबको पता है, आपको भी पता होगा कि इस तरह के आइडियाज को करने वाले को जो है वो ट्रेस आउट बहुत आसान हो जाता है, कोई मुश्किल नहीं है उसको ट्रेस आउट करना। ओके, अच्छा, जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू कर रहे हैं, तो ये हम सब के लिए एक नया एक्सपीरियंस है, स्टूडेंट के लिए एज वेल एज टीचर्स के लिए ऑल्सो। तो इस सिलसिले में अगर हमारी कोई लैकिंग हो तो काइंडली उसको इग्नोर कीजिएगा और कंसीडर कीजिएगा और हमें अपने फीडबैक दीजिएगा, ताकि हम जो है इसको अपने ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव करें और स्टूडेंट के लिए अच्छे से अच्छा मटेरियल और जो है प्रेजेंटेशन प्रोवाइड कर सकें। थैंक यू। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस आवर मिड टर्म सिलेबस। Each chapter of the one by one. The social studies divided into geography and history portion. Our history portion consists 5 chapters. The chapter 1, Geography of the Muslim World, is our first chapter. Now we will discuss the midterm syllabus, each chapter one by one. The geography portion, we have 5 chapters. The first chapter is Geography of the Muslim World. In this chapter, we will discuss the physical features of the Muslim world, the political map of the Muslim world, and the map of the physical features and the natural vegetation of the Muslim world. The second chapter is the climatic regions of the Muslim world. In this chapter, we will discuss the different season or different climates of the Muslim world, just such as the Mediterranean climate, the monsoon climate, the desert, the semi-desert, the tropical grassland, and the tropical rainforest areas. The next chapter is main agricultural products of the Muslim world. In this chapter, we will discuss the agricultural products produced in the Muslim world, such as wheat, rice, sugarcane, and wool, cotton, so and so forth. The next chapter is minerals and the natural resources of the Muslim world. In this chapter, we will get the knowledge about the minerals which are produced in the Muslim world, such as natural oils and gas. These are the main minerals of the Muslim world. We also discuss the other minerals which are extract in the Muslim world, such as gold, coal, and zinc, and iron, copper, such and so forth. In this chapter, we also get the knowledge that the Muslim world are rich in the minerals resources. The next chapter is industrialization in the Muslim world. In this chapter, we will discuss the industries in the Muslim world, such as oil refineries, coal minings or different mines for different minerals, the textile industry, wool industry, and the tourism in the Muslim world. Now we will discuss or come to our history portion. In history portion, we have also 5 chapters. The first chapter is the early Muslim. In this chapter, we will discuss about the Muslim rule after the death of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, such as Khilafat Rashida, Abbasis, Banu Umayyah, the Ottoman Empire, and different dynasties, and the Crusade War, and the effect of Crusade War. The next chapter is Islam in the Southeast Asia. In this chapter, we will discuss how and when Islam reached in the Southeast Asia. After that, we will come to the Muslim scientist, philosopher, and traveler. This is a very interesting chapter in which we will get a huge knowledge about the Muslim scientists, travelers, and the philosophers. The next chapter is the decline and the reawakening of the Muslims. As I told in the previous overview, that the Muslim rulers, the Muslim countries, the Muslim government expand north, east, south, and west. That that was a huge government, but gradually they lose their grip on their areas. So the Western power or Europeans took over control on these areas. We will discuss what are the aspects of these colonialisms. The last chapter of our history portion is national unity and the freedom movement. In the last chapter, as you know, we have discussed the reawakening movements or something else. Now, in this chapter, we will discuss the reawakening movements in the Muslim world, such as in Egypt, Muhammad Abdu, in Afghanistan, Jamaluddin Afghani, in subcontinent, Maulana Muhammad Ali Jawhar, Maulana Shaukat Ali, Quaid-e-Azam, Allama Iqbal, and Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. This is all our midterm syllabus.